ॲडिशन्स करत गेलो. आमच्याकडं आज आपल्याला जे मार्गदर्शन करणारे शशांक टिळक हे त्यांनी काही त्याच्यात इनोव्हेटिव्ह आयडियाज घातल्या. त्याप्रमाणे आमचे विश्वासलेले आर्किटेक्ट त्यांनी पण त्याच्यामध्ये खूप चांगल्या चांगल्या कन्सेप्ट्स आणल्या आणि ह्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला सांगण्यासाठी आज आपण एकत्र आलेलो आहोत. आमचं सगळं वर्ष असंच ऑनलाईनमध्ये गेलं. पण तुमचं वर्ष चांगलं जावं यासाठी तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना शुभेच्छा देतो आणि ओव्हर टू उज्ज्वला, कारण आपला कार्यक्रम पुढचा जास्त महत्त्वाचा आहे.
Thank you, President Shashank. Now I request Ujjwala to take over.
Hello, everybody. A very good evening to all of you. I can see the club admin directors, bulletin editors, or presidents of the coming year, or maybe the year after that, and all are geared to learn something new, because multimedia is the new mantra of today. And though we have called it producing or making a good multimedia club bulletin, I'm sure the skills that will be learned today will not be restricted only to the production of a club bulletin, but you can use it in any multimedia report that you would want to make. But because we, that is the district club administration avenue of the district in 21-22 under the leadership of DG Pankaj Shah, we will be working closely with the club admin directors, the bulletin editors of different clubs, the designated months, chairperson if you have appointed any, and the president secretaries in regards to the bylaws and MOP and financial matters and everything. So over the year, we will keep meeting. But this particular point came up that bulletins, how bulletins should be produced, how frequently they should be published, and what should be the content. And in the various district training seminars, we discussed this. We also shared our club's very interesting multimedia bulletin. And in that particular event, some club admin directors approached me saying that we would also like to learn it. And that's why we organized this even before the year 21-22 started, because you might want to have this kind of a bulletin very soon in the next year. A very warm welcome to all of you, and I really, really appreciate that you are so enthusiastic to learn. Our facilitator Shashank Tilak had given some instructions how to make or how to get the most out of this workshop, and I know from the various calls that I got that like obedient students, sincere students, you have prepared for the workshop very well. And my team from the district admin avenue is here: Abhay Sontakke, Samir Dulare, Prajakta Jere, who is the club bulletin chairman in the district, and my colleague Meenal Dhotre, who is also a part of the district club admin committee as the chairperson of designated months. She has fantastic ideas in that regard also, but we'll come to you with them subsequently and not overload you with everything right now. With this, I hand it over back to Meenal.
Thank you, Ujjwala. It has been great to hear from Ujjwala because she's the pioneer in introducing audio bulletin, and she's always, come up with some creative idea. So conducting this workshop was also, it's a brainchild of Ujjwala itself. So I'm sure that you will enjoy the session, and throughout the year you will experiment with your weekly bulletin. Now I hand over the session to Shashank Tilak, today's facilitator as well as club member of Rotary Club of Gandhi Bhavan. Over to you, Shashank, and again request all to keep your audio mute and video also, if there is bandwidth issue. Yes, Shashank.
Thanks a lot, Meena. And thanks to Ujjwala. I think it's a very good initiative because we need to share what we know, and without that, development will not happen, is what I think everybody should accept. Basically, my name is Shashank Tilak, and I am the current director for service projects in Rotary Club of Pune Gandhi Bhavan. We started the year on a very difficult note because of the pandemic, and it was as Meenal and Ujjwala have already explained. We found it very difficult to keep the interest of people towards the club activities, and that was one of the major challenges that was being faced by us. And of course, I know that most of the other clubs had the same issue. One of the ways in which we thought we can improve people's interest is by having some sort of a multimedia bulletin, which is what we are going to look at right now. This concept basically developed from the previous audio that was being done over the last year. You all know previously we used to work on a text file and then convert it, make it into a printed bulletin, distribute those copies, and most of those copies used to be remaining at the meeting venue, I know, and unfortunately people wouldn't read them. The next step also was to convert this into a digital format, which was basically a PDF. Which
Sorry, Shashank, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
आवाज थोडासा तुझा मोठा हवाय.
Yeah, better now.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next step was, of course, to convert this printable or printed bulletin into a PDF, which went on for a couple of years, I think, in most clubs, where the printing was eliminated and the PDF, the bulletin was given to people in PDF format. Even there, only the people who were really interested in looking at the bulletin would look at the details of the bulletin or the various topics there. Otherwise, once again, it was relegated to the background. Once it came, we would just look at the main
Shashank,
cover.
again, there is some message that voice is very low.
Okay.
It's better now than earlier. Maybe the chat was.
Is it better now?
Yeah, definitely.
Better. Okay.
तो थोडंसं वरती धरल्यावरच मला वाटतं थोडं
I
असं
think
आहे.
ते काढून टाका.
Hello. Yeah. त्याच्यानंतर, or the next step was to convert this into an audio bulletin, which is what Ujjwala had initiated. And the audio bulletin sort of improved the interest into people to have a listen to it, because there were some topics of interest. People who had not attended previous programs definitely wanted to understand what was being done, and audio could be handled or listened to parallel to your work or to anything else that you were doing. This year we therefore converted this whole exercise into a multimedia bulletin, where we have images, we can have videos, different types of audios, even GIF files can be embedded within it. And the basic idea is to stitch all these together or put them together in a way which is more interesting to everybody. And we also found that because of the very nature of this bulletin being audiovisual, there was more better reception from the people who were watching it. So we would get good responses, and that is why this thought about sharing the way that we have been creating this bulletin with all of you. So this is the first time I think that we are actually attempting a workshop like this, where things are going to be done online. So I'll just go through the basic process that I have thought of about how we will work this. I will initially, of course, go through a small presentation. And it's a very short presentation where, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Shashank.
Yeah, I just got a chat message saying that it is still very low. Okay, so I'll just go through a small presentation where I'll just take you through the steps that we need to follow in order to work this, make this bulletin. And then I will actually do a demonstration of the way that we are actually creating this bulletin. We will run through Filmora, add audio, add the video content, the images, and actually create a bulletin which can be distributed to everybody. Once that is done, I would definitely like people to ask questions. And then I would like to have at least one or two amongst our friends here to actually work on their own system and create a bulletin like that. For that, I'm sure most of you have downloaded Filmora and installed it, plus added a few files that I had already mentioned in my mail previously. So shall we start with the actual production now?
Yes, please.
Please give me a second. I'll share my screen.
If you speak directly into the laptop, will it be better for you? Like somebody has suggested that not use the mic.
Am I more audible now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Better than the.
This is better.
headphones.
This is better.
Yes.
Okay. So fine.
Yeah.
I'll work it like this. Can everybody see what I am sharing on my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we go ahead? Yeah, so basically this is just what I had mentioned right now. We have been printing copies and then we have converted them into a PDF and then an audio and then an audio video bulletin, which we are doing now. The sequence that needs to be followed for this is what I had actually mentioned in my email. But this is a very important sequence that needs to be done because if you start jumping into the actual application, you will find that a lot of problems will start coming in. So collect all your data, collect the video clips that you want to insert into the bulletin, collect the photographs that you want to have, the audio clips, download any GIF images, and then we link them all together in a specific sequence that has been decided by the bulletin editor or by you. The important thing here is to have a proper timeline, and the timeline is based on your audio narration, because the video and the audio together are forming the total length of the bulletin. And without actually knowing how much length of the audio and the video is, it is very difficult to put them together and make them more sensible to the viewer. So it is very important to first check on the length of the audio, the length of the videos that you have. That will actually give you the total length of your bulletin, of the timing of your bulletin. And just as an aside, it is, I would say that it is better not to have a length of more than 5 to 6 minutes at the most for a bulletin like this, with after which the interest starts waning. So 5 to 6 minutes is a preferable time. Try not to go beyond that. The way that I follow is a little structured. So I would copy all these elements into a folder. I mark the files with the names that I want to have in that sequence, so that when I take it into the software, it becomes easy for me to put them in that proper line. Video files, image files, as I said, have to be all together. The next step is to actually list out the topics. So you could have the sequence. We used to have something like an opening page. So that page would just talk about the volume number or the date on which the bulletin is being released, and the name of our bulletin, of course. And then we would have a section for projects, a section for the previous week's programs, birthdays and anniversaries if required. Then there were things like, at times we would report on very important international events, Rotary events, this type of thing. Plus sometimes where we had some lack of data, and to also add, every month we would have the Rotary month specified in that bulletin. Before we actually get into the software and work on that, please make sure that you check the audio for the quality, because it very often happens that the audio quality that you get is not as good as it should be for the entire video sequence. This can be recorded on your handset, on your phone. There is no problem. That can be easily transferred into Filmora. And in case you have a problem with getting a continuous audio. For example, if you have a 3-minute audio and the speaker or the narrator is unable to give you a continuous 3-minute unit, doesn't matter. He could speak in batches and we can always put them together within Filmora. Alternatively, if there is a break required, so if you have an audio file which is having 3 parts, we can still break that into 3 parts and put them in separate places within the software. So that makes it extremely easy for us to operate. So the first thing, of course, is to check your audio files and make sure that they are as per your requirement and the sequence is in the way that you want it. So this is the timeline that we prepare. So you would have things like, you would say that opening remarks by, let's say, the bulletin editor. And then below that, you would say have photographs of the editor or have photographs of the current Rotary month. You could have then the narrator's name appearing there, or you could then have something like the previous week's program. Now, while having the previous week's program, you need to actually make sure that you mention in your Word file or your text, wherever that you are entering it, which photographs you want to put there. That way, it makes it much simpler for you to play around with the entire list. Okay, let me just change the share.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the way that I normally work along with our editor. So he would give me a list of the items that are going to be put into it. So this is the one that we have prepared for the demo that we are doing today. So the first portion is the masthead. So the masthead has to be prepared. We generally have a light music in the background, which we have kept common throughout all our bulletins. Our bulletin is called Poseidon, so that is why Poseidon masthead. Then if you see, the black is the actual text. The audio is by the editor, that is Vishwas Lele, and he is talking about the fellowship month, which is June, which is in June. Here I have mentioned, if you see that, insert the images about fellowship, friendship, insert a short clapping or something like that, so that shows the end of that sequence. Then there is the next sequence, which is the narration about previous week's program by Ashwini. She is our admin director. And this is about Dr. Hiren Shah, who was on our Zoom meeting last time. So here we can insert images of the online talk. The difficult part within this narration, when you create this, is to match the images to the audio. So let us say that we are talking about the audio and the narrator is saying that the introduction was given by, let's say, Ujwala Barve. So I need to have Ujwala's photograph appearing at that time. If there is a mismatch, then once again, there is a problem that you are not able to connect the audio and the display. So
Shashank, sorry to disturb you, but we are not able to see the PPT or your file. It's very blurred.
But it's not clear. So maybe you have to stop sharing and start sharing again. It's very blurred.
Okay, I'll try that.
Word file is blurred.
Is that better?
Yes, it is clear now.
Okay.
And somebody is still saying that you need to speak a little loudly.
Okay. Probably I need to take some voice modulation training. Yeah. So
शशांकजी, ऍक्च्युली तुमचा माईक जर तो खाली गेला असेल ना, तर एखाद वेळेस तसं होईल. थोडासा वरती फक्त घेतला तर होईल.
हा, previously I was trying that, पण त्यांनी येत नव्हतं, so directly बोलत होतो मी. Is it okay now? Better आहे?
हो, आहे.
Yeah. Okay. तर ह्याच्यात now what happens is that if the image does not match the audio, then you have a problem, and then playing around with those images becomes a tough task. So we need to have the images following the sequence of the narration, put them in that particular position. So that is what I'm saying when I'm saying try to match the images. That is the thing that I'm talking about.
शशांक पुन्हा प्रॉब्लेम आलाय प्रेझेंटेशनला.
Yeah, माझ्याकडे problem आहे. Yeah. Okay.
You will
So-
share again.
अजूनही प्रॉब्लेम येतोय?
हो हो, अजून खूप अनक्लिअर, एकदम ब्लर्ड आहे. नेटवर्कचा इश्यू आहे का?
नाही, माझ्याकडे आय थिंक माझा बाकी ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ तर क्लिअर आहे.
हो, ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ क्लिअर आहे. या फाईल्सला प्रॉब्लेम येतोय.
Okay, anyway, ते दिसलं नाही दिसलं doesn't matter. I'll just explain what I'm talking about.
ठीक आहे,
तर
ठीक आहे.
इमेजेसला आणि त्या ऑडिओला वी हॅव टू मॅच दोज टू, नाहीतर मग आपल्याला फायनल रिझल्टमध्ये खूप प्रॉब्लेम येईल. आणि देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप दॅट वी हॅड वॉज हॅव्हिंग डिटेल्ड नरेशन अबाउट द प्रिव्हियस प्रोग्राम or the previous project that we had done. And then finally the closing remarks by either the president or by the editor. So we have done this sequence for the current trial. So I will now start off looking at actually doing this entire thing in Filmora. One thing that I need to do, I'm stopping sharing this and I'm opening Filmora directly. I have opened Filmora as it is previously so that it becomes faster, because opening up Filmora takes a little extra while, a little extra time. It is a very heavy program. So I have already opened and kept it. For those who are going to open it themselves, I think you can do it and keep it ready so that when we start actually working as an exercise, we should be able to work on that directly. So if possible, please open Filmora on your systems and be ready with Filmora. I will take about 15 minutes to create this bulletin, and then we will go and actually look at how to make the bulletin at your end.
Okay. When you now run Filmora, would you like to switch off your own video so as to use the bandwidth capacity?
Yeah, I'll try to do that. Yes.
Yeah.
Is the screen visible now?
नाही, काही पॅचेस मध्ये असे ग्रे ग्रे पट्ट्या येत आहेत. फुल दिसत नाहीये फिल्मोरा. सो मे बी स्टॉप करून पुन्हा एकदा शेअर केलंस. हा, आताही तसंच येत आहे जरासं.
And better.
हा प्रॉब्लेम सगळ्यांना येतोय की फक्त काही जणांना येतोय? म्हणजे
हे बऱ्यापैकी क्लिअर आहे. तुझं फॉन्टचं वाला खूप छोटं होतं. आय थिंक
दोन
Text.
कोपऱ्यांमध्ये वरती एक आडवी हॉरिझॉन्टल ग्रे पट्टी येते आणि उजव्या बाजूला हॉरिझॉन्टल
एक,
उभी ग्रे पट्टी येते. पण
मला वाटतं हे नेटवर्क इश्यू आहे.
ठीक आहे, संजीव
शशांक-
नीट दिसतंय.
Shashankji,
Yeah.
हो, आहे.
Shashankji, is it okay if somebody else will share his screen, his or her screen, and then you can guide?
No, that is difficult because I have all the files here and I actually need to give the demonstration. Somebody else will not be able to do it. After I do the demonstration, yes, I can have somebody do a short film, short multimedia presentation. But right now we'll have to do this. Let me check again if my net connection. But I think that's fine. I just reshare this screen.
Yes, I think that should work.
Is it better now?
Yes.
Visible now. Good.
Okay. So Ata, I will start with this is the main screen of Filmora. As you can see, it is those who have been using other software, you will know most of the menu items here. So there's a file which talks about how to open or create a new file or change the options, things like that. Editing is for actually making changes to the main file, but we'll go into that a little later, or we will actually touch upon a few of those topics only. The first thing that we need to understand before starting with Filmora is when you open Filmora, it is going to ask you about what size of page do you want to make, or what size of screen do you want to create. In this case, for most of our handsets or mobile phones, the suggested size or the preferred size is 16:9 proportion. So it is 16 wide and 9 vertical, 16 horizontal and 9 vertical. It is always preferable to work in a horizontal format because you can then fit in more visible elements into this bulletin, into the screen. So 16 by 9 is the preferred format. You will see that when you open Filmora, it asks you for the size. So please select 16 by 9. That is the first step that you need to do, which I have already done. So I have come to a blank screen here. This is the blank display. Now I need to actually start importing the files into this into this software. The way that from my timeline that I had created, I had actually put in that my first step would be our masthead for the bulletin, and along with that, I'm going to have the music. So I will first import these two elements.
म्हणजे काय टोटली डिफरंट स्क्रीन म्हणजे काय म्हणायचंय दिलीपजी?
Can I unmute?
हा प्लीज.
असं म्हणजे हे जे वरती मेनू आहे, that is not at all visible. Nothing like that is there.
तो येतच नाही, वेगळंच काहीतरी
नाहीच
येतंय.
आहे, नुसतं असं म्हणजे मी डाउनलोड केलं and while I was downloading, it was giving options Filmora Pro for Windows and for Mac.
Right.
So I have downloaded Filmora. Filmora Pro, it gave me a message that it can be downloaded only with a 64 byte bit system.
Only on Windows 10.
Windows 10, I think. So I didn't do that. So I have downloaded Filmora, and the screen, it is showing only a small window which has nothing like the menu and all that. Nothing is there on it.
You will have to install Filmora 9 because most of the features that we are talking about are there only in Filmora 9. The previous version has many features, but it is not having as much control as this one has.
Okay, so Filmora 9 needs to be downloaded.
Yes, and that is the link that I had shared. So
I downloaded with that link only.
So probably your system is not geared to install that software. You need to have a better system. That's the only reason.
No, but it got downloaded. It didn't give any message that we are not able to download.
Yeah, you can download. It will not install.
Yeah, it got installed also. I mean,
Filmora 9.
Ma'am, it seems that there are two options. One option is for the paid user and the other option is for the free user. So you need to select the second option.
Paid user, is it?
No, the other option, second one.
Okay.
With mark.
I chose that. I get the same problem that ma'am is describing.
Yeah. The screen doesn't have any menus or anything.
Okay, we'll go to that at a later stage because I cannot probably see what you are having.
Yeah.
So we'll check that at a later stage.
I
But
can
this is
yeah, true.
yeah. So
तुझ्या ऑफिस मध्ये येऊ.
तुझ्या ऑफिस मध्ये येऊ.
नाहीतर तुझ्या ऑफिस मध्ये येऊ शशांक.
Yes,
दिलीप शोभा बोलतोय.
Oh, I know.
Okay, fine.
Okay, just give me a moment. I'm just trying to import these files.
Yes, Shashank, share again.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get these files into the software.
But right now your screen is not shared.
No, it's not shared.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm facing a slight problem with my system here. Not able to import these files. Ujjwala, I think I need to quit and come back. I'll try and do that.
No problem, Shashank, you can do that.
Yes.
Time while he's joining, I'll just try and show you the multimedia bulletin that he was talking about, which I had shown earlier also, but that will give you an idea, and it will keep us engaged for some time. Minal,
आपल्या सर्वांचं हार्दिक स्वागत. सप्टेंबर हा रोखीने ठरवलेला खास शिक्षण व साक्षरता विषयक महिना आहे. आणि आपल्या क्लबला महिन्याच्या सुरुवातीलाच सायबर साक्षरतेविषयीच्या एका
you see and hear the bulletin that I am playing?
Yes.
Okay, good.
उत्कृष्ट व्याख्यानमालेचं पहिलं पुष्प गुंफलं. PP रोटेरियन ऍडव्होकेट वैशालीनं त्यांच्या बीजभाषणात आपले अमूल्य विचार अत्यंत सुस्पष्ट शैलीत.
This is only audio bulletin, like where it, because you can put it on YouTube with when you turn it into with a visual, but there is also a completely multimedia bulletin that I'll now play for you.
आपल्या सर्वांचं हार्दिक स्वागत.
संगीताच्या आवाजात नाही.
या घोषणेचे जनक दोघेही विद्या विभूषित.
Yes, Ujjwala, you are sharing the screen. You are showing something.
I am just a second.
नमस्कार मित्र. गेल्या 15 दिवसात खूपच विलक्षण आणि आपल्यासाठी अविस्मरणीय घटना घडल्यात. बघा ना, सर्वप्रथम 10वीची परीक्षा
दिसतंय ना?
उत्तम मार्कांनी उत्तीर्ण झालेल्या कॅन्डिडेट्स पूर्वी धोत्रे, संवेद बाळ, हर्षित मटकर आणि संहिता शिलेदार या सगळ्यांचे व त्यांच्या पालकांचे अभिनंदन आणि पुढील वाटचालीसाठी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर रोटेरियन ब्रीज सेठी आणि मंजू फडके यांच्या उपस्थितीत 4 तारखेची मेंबरशिप मीटिंग खऱ्या अर्थाने स्पेशल झाली ती उज्ज्वलाने डिझाईन केलेल्या रो तंबोलामुळे. मीटिंगच्या आधीच अर्धा दिवस त्या खेळाची पूर्वतयारी करायला लावलं होतं आपल्याला. मीटिंग मध्ये देखील सगळेजण श्वास रोखून किती गमतीची शिवाय नाविन्यपूर्ण आणि उत्कंठावर्धक संकल्पना होती नाही. आपल्या मेंबर्सला अतिशय तरलपणे रोटरीची ओळख करून देण्याची अफलातून कल्पना. 4 तारखेला मेंबरशिप स्पेशल मीटिंग नंतर 5ला अयोध्येतील भूमिपूजन, 6ला हिरोशिमा स्मरण आणि आपल्या राजस्थानात साजरा झाला तीज उत्सव, 7ला रवींद्रनाथ टागोर पुण्यतिथी आणि राष्ट्रीय हँडलूम डे, 8ला ऑगस्ट क्रांती दिन, 9ला वर्ल्ड ट्रायबल डे तसंच जागतिक स्वदेशी दिन, 10ला जागतिक सिंह दिन. नंतर 11 तारखेची मीटिंग जगद्गुरु, सर्वसखा, आनंद, ऊर्जा, चैतन्य, प्रेम यांनी परिपूर्ण असा श्रीकृष्ण आणि त्याचे प्रज्ञावंत देवदत्त, सुदामा, पेंद्या असे सवंगडी, भीष्म, द्रोण या थोरांशी त्याचे संबंध, राधेशी त्याचा अद्वैत, कुणाबद्दलही आकस मनात गाठ नसलेली श्रीकृष्णाचा अधरादेश मिळाल्यावर केवळ मृदू मधुर सुरातच बोलणारी त्याची बासरी, या सगळ्यांचं प्रासादिक निरूपण केलं ते थोर विदुषी आरतीताईंनी. त्यांच्या रसाळ वाणीने श्रोते अगदी मंत्रमुग्ध झाले होते. नंतर होता आपापला गोपाळकाला. 13 जागतिक अवयवदान दिन आणि कुणालाच कल्पनाही नसेल, पण त्याच दिवशी आपली सभासद त्या संतच्या भावजईला अपघात झाला आणि दुर्दैवाने 15 स्वातंत्र्य दिनी त्यांचे दुःखद निधन झाले. पण मृत्यूत्तर
Trainer is back in the
अवयवदान
session.
करून चेन्नई, हैदराबाद आणि पुण्यातील 5 रुग्णांना नवजीवन मिळाले. त्यांना आपल्या सर्वांतर्फे
I'm sure you have got an idea.
14चा दिवस तसा
I'm sure you have got an idea how this multimedia bulletin sounds like, looks like. And Shashank is back, so over to Shashank again.
Meenal, can you please make me a co-host?
Yeah, just a minute. Done. Done, Shashank.
Thank you. What I have actually done, the problem that I faced was because I think too many programs were open at a time, and my system sort of crashed. So I had to restart everything. I have actually now opened up Filmora, and I have just imported all the files in here. Is this clear now? Is the display clear? Is the sharing clear?
Yeah, better now.
Better, okay. So this is the main screen of Zoom of Filmora, and any issues that I think some of you had with the version, that we will solve later, because different versions have different ways in which the software works. Filmora 9 by itself is a free version and downloadable free, and it works excellent, and it has lots of excellent features. So what I have done is actually I have imported all the files that are required. Directly you can go into file and add files, or you can just drag and drop the files into this particular pane. This pane is the place where you have all your files brought in. So I actually brought in all the files that I require for my present bulletin. And if you can see, I have named most of them the way that I want, so that it becomes easy for me to work. So I have, for example, Pasaidan music. I have plantation photographs, which is one of our programs that we want to show here. There's an audio, this audio, which is the president's closing remarks. There are a few GIFs which I have downloaded, which I want to use here. There is a narration for the plantation. So these files, naming them like this is making it easy for me to actually work on it. So the way that I have to now work is first start with my display, that is the first opening screen of my bulletin. So this Pasaidan, demo Pasaidan masthead, this is the name that I have given to this file. It is basically a JPEG or a PNG file can be used. PNG files are better, so that if there is any transparency and if you have overlapping videos or images, you can see through to the other image. So that I will explain at a later stage, but the preferable mode of image file is a PNG. So I can just add this. If I just click on the plus, you will see that it adds to this position here. And the pane that you see on the right top is the actual viewing pane, where you will have, as you keep adding, and if you run this, it will run like an actual video. So you can see that this is the pane that is there. For the introduction or the starting slide, normally it requires just about maybe a few seconds. This is right now working. If you might see, please follow my cursor. This, if you see, is the length or the duration of the image. So this image will be kept on screen, or it will be visible for 5 seconds at the moment. So let's say that, okay, this is 5 seconds. We'll work with 5 seconds. I'm going back. The vertical slider, the red slider that you see, is actually to move to any position within your slideshow or within your video. So I'll go back to the 0 level, and I will also import the Pasaidan music. That is the background music that we play when we have the opening screen. So I can go to the Pasaidan music and just click here. Remember that the position of this slider is very important, because if I just click on this when the slider is at this position that you can see on the screen, the music actually goes to that position. So I don't want to do that. I am undoing it. I am taking this back to the original position by clicking on the back button here, this stop button, and I will add the music background to this. As you can see, the length of this music here is almost 9 seconds. This is the distance, the length of this music. So I don't want it to play for 9 seconds, because it is going to make it very boring, or again take away the interest. So I will try to crop this into the distance or the length that I want. So if I can start, I'll just try and play this bit so that I understand what the music is like. So this is the play button in the playing pane, viewing pane here. I click on the play, which is like any other video player. Right. So this entire music sequence, if I have to use this, then the length of the visibility for the main screen or the image also has to be much more. So we can do it both ways. Either I just come here, select the length and drag it to this position. So both of them are of the same size. Or I can actually position this a little smaller and crop the music to this level. So just for you to understand as to how to crop, I will do a crop and explain to you. So we'll crop it to this level wherever I have marked this. So what I would now do is bring my selection cursor to this position where it ends. This is the position where it ends. I am actually, you will not be able to see it. I'm using my keyboard to a forward arrow and a backward arrow in order to position the cursor exactly at this position, at the position where I have ended the display. Now select the audio and then use the right mouse button where you can see that there are options here. There are properties of the audio file. You can split it, you can trim it from beginning to the position that you have marked, or end to that playhead. So we want to trim it from the end to the playhead. I have trimmed this file. Now let's go back and see what it sounds like. Yeah, I think this is better so that it does not take up too much time. If you look at the timing here, it is hardly 5 seconds from. Let's go back. So it's just about 5 seconds. That's fine. So the next thing to do is, because this music that is playing is finishing abruptly. If I come to this position and show you, I'll bring the playhead there and play it. So you'll see that cut happening there. I don't want that to happen. So you can still select the audio file, and you see these two small bits or small cursors at the top, small pointers. These are for fade in and fade out. So I can actually press click here and drag it. You will see that it is actually showing a triangular unit there, which is lighter in shade, which is the fade out portion. So if I now play, you will see that the music fades out. So this is the way that we need to actually play with this. I just showed you this audio clip, how to cut the audio, so that in any case, in further items, wherever you require, you should be able to use this. The next point that we have in our listing is the introduction by our editor. So I will have to go to that particular file. Now our editor had actually given me two files. So I have named them as Vishwas 1 and Vishwas 2. Both are audio files, and these two files have small differences because he was not able to probably use speak properly at the towards the end of one of those files. So I will take the second one. Probably this is the better one. But remember, if I now click here, you will see that it is going to go to this place, which is at the bottom. See here. So it has now actually placed it before that audio file, which I don't want. So I want it to be placed at the end of this. So the better thing is to actually, you can either click on this or drag it down. When you drag it down and bring it to this position, it actually snaps to whichever previous unit is. So I'll just do it again so that it is easily visible. You can drag it and place it there. So this is the length of Vishwas, our editor's speech or his introduction. Now what has happened is, now if I want to see what the duration of this audio file is, again just right click, you will see that there is something called a speed and duration. Check this duration, you will see it is for 3 minutes 25 seconds. So Vishwas has overdone. I actually don't want such a long introduction, because otherwise our entire video will go to more than 6 or 7 minutes. In any case, right now I'm just leaving it as it is. But then the problem that I will have is, what are the fillers that I need to put in here? So if I start looking at what he has spoken about, most of the time he has spoken about fellowship. So I'll just try and see what it is.
Hello friends, greetings from Vishwas Lele from RCP Gandhi Bhavan in this June Rotary's month of fellowship. It gives me so much of joy to connect with you all with this multimedia demo Pasayada. That's our bulletin. तर मित्रांनो, फेलोशिप किंवा साथ संगत कुणाला आवडत नाही असं नाहीच ना. कारण उद्देश पद्धत कुठलीही असोत, किंवा इथं माध्यमाबद्दल बोलायचं झालं तर ती सुद्धा कितीही असोत, हो की नाही. आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच साथ संगत आवडते, फेलोशिप आवडते. Now we Rotarians mean a lot of things by fellowship. Rather, fellowship means a lot of things to us Rotarians. हाँ, time की बात होती है ना.
I'll pause it at this position because I want to crop this audio. I don't want to have such a long audio here. And right now I am at a position which is, if you see here, it is at 57 seconds. So this audio from here up to this selected location is 57 seconds. Next thing is, I want to now straight away go to the end. I am going to crop out Vishwas. So I'll go to somewhere towards the end because I don't want to have such a long thing right now. In the normal circumstances, probably I would have asked him to redo the entire thing. So let's see what happens.
फायनल प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे वाव. म्हणजे मेंबरची साथ असली.
Okay, just go a little behind.
Read verses, write, enact, compose and play, sing, dance, whatever.
So here he's talking about making the video. So I'll go a little backward again.
Master, who puts it all together, mind you, means the beginning, the core, and the conclusion.
Okay, we'll start from somewhere here.
Of a story, and source finding, and finally as teaching master. Who puts it all together, mind you, means the beginning, the core, and the conclusion.
Okay, I want to let us say cut the portion from 57 seconds and right up to this position, which is 2 minutes 23 seconds. So I can actually come to this audio file and split it at this point. So now I have two portions. One is the first part, which is right up to 2 minutes 20 seconds, and the last one, which is the remaining part. I'll go back to 57 seconds, which is what we had logged at, and split this once again. So I have now broken it into 3 parts, which is going to make it easy for me to ensure that the length is reduced. And straight away, without thinking, I'm going to delete the central part. This is what I did. I selected the central part, deleted it. So now I have 2 units to Vishwas's narration. The first part is talking about the fellowship month. And if I go a little ahead and see what is here, this here is talking about the bulletin itself.
Here, members are more than ready to contribute with their own skills. Research असू दे, read prose, read verses, write, enact, compose and play, sing, dance, whatever. या सगळ्याची मास्टर की मात्र असतेच टीचिंग मास्टरकडे.
Okay, let us crop up to this level and we will only use this part of it. So once again, I'm doing the same thing. I split it. I'm going to delete the last portion. No, I should not, because there will be at least a handing over somewhere. So let me see.
To take over and share her views. इव्हाना तुम्ही ओळखलंच असेल की क्रेडिट फेलोशिपचंच असतं. Okay, now I will now request.
This is the place where he is talking about handing over to Ashwini. And you can actually, this software is so comfortable and easy to use that you will see that there is a dip here. If you look at the screen, you'll see the waves that are going, there is a break here. So this is the pause. So now it is very easy for me to bring my cursor to that pause position, split again, and I'm going to delete this portion. So now I have 3 parts to it. The first, the second, and the third. I have shortened it appreciably. So I just want to now go back and see whether the audio is
Greetings
proper.
from Vishwas Lele from RCP Gandhi Bhavan in this June.
I'll go to the end of the first section.
It's a lot of things to us Rotarians. हाँ time की बात होती है ना. And identifying places to search the sources. Here, members are more than ready to contribute with their own skills. Research असू दे, read prose, read verses, write, enact, compose and play, sing, dance, whatever. या सगळ्याची मास्टर की मात्र असतेच टीचिंग मास्टरकडे. Okay, now I will now request our admin director Rotarian Ashwini to take over and share her views.
So this last portion is again blank, which was part of the audio file. Probably while recording, he must have kept the recorder on for a little more while. So I have to split it again and delete the last part. So now I have this entire unit, which is the part which my editor has spoken about. And he has mainly spoken about the fellowship month, about friendship amongst Rotarians. And then he has moved on to the bulletin. But for the bulletin, we will not put any images or anything like that. What we will do is we will at least put in some photographs of fellowship or the fellowship month of Rotary. I have downloaded some of these things here. Yeah, so you will see that there is a fellowship unit here. This is a JPEG. I'll just drag it in here. There's another one. This is a fellowship poster from rotary.org. And something which talks about fellowship here. I'm purposely leaving spaces in between because I want to then extend the length of each of these images, their timing, so that they fill into the gaps that are there. Now Vishwas's audio is very long, so I want to fill in those gaps. So I have just kept these as spaces. And there is one more here. This is about friendship. So I will add this also here. Let me now just play it again. Remember, this is a very painful process. You will have to go back and forth to ensure that you get the right mix. But we have to do that. Now, when I come back to this place, I have come to the end of my intro. And now I'm going to play Vishwas's play.
Hello friends. Greetings from Vishwas Lele from RCP Gandhi Bhavan in this June.
Now, in fact, where he says greetings from Vishwas Lele, I should have had a photograph of Vishwas, which unfortunately I have not placed. But still, what we'll do is we'll straight away go into the fellowship images. I will take the first image and I'll drag it so that the duration is increased to about 15-16 seconds, whatever. So let's play this. I'm just trying to fill up the spaces here. The next one. I'm joining it here and again extending this. So now let's see what it looks like.
June, Rotary's month of fellowship. It gives me so much of joy to connect with you all with this multimedia demo Pasayada. That's our bulletin. तर मित्रांनो, फेलोशिप किंवा साथ संगत कुणाला आवडत नाही असं नाहीच ना. कारण उद्देश पद्धत कुठलीही असोत किंवा इथं माध्यमाबद्दल बोलायचं झालं तर ती सुद्धा कितीही असोत, हो की नाही. आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच साथ संगत आवडते, फेलोशिप आवडते. Now we Rotarians mean a lot of things by fellowship. Rather, fellowship means a lot of things to us Rotarians.
Okay, now this particular file, this last one that you have here, you're seeing here, is a GIF. So this GIF file has moving elements. If you can, if I need, I can actually change the speed of the GIF and make it longer. Let me play it again so you will see what the GIF is doing.
Lot of things by fellowship. Rather, fellowship means a lot of things to us Rotarians. हाँ, time की बात होती है ना. And identifying places to search the sources.
Yeah. Now I am still seeing that there is a lot of space available here. This space where the image has to be. Otherwise, what will happen is when I come to the end of this GIF and I start playing it,
Members are more than ready
the
to
view,
contribute
there will be no
with their own
image
skills.
for viewing.
Research as well.
So I will, in this case, I just will add the same images again. What will have to be done preferably by you is identify further images or identify more GIF files or shorten the audio. So I'll just add this just to make the length even. So if you look at this now, we are going block by block. So the image block and the audio block have matched. And so what would happen is now when I come to the end of this block,
हाँ, time की बात होती है ना.
you will have an image throughout.
Okay, now I will now request our admin director Rotarian Ashwini to take over and share her views.
Right. We have got this introduction part completed. Similarly, I need to do the next part, which is which he is talking about, Ashwini. Ashwini has spoken about two things. One is last week's program, which is by Dr. Hiren Shah about locks, antique locks. And the second one is about a tree plantation program, which we have done. So I will quickly, since now you have understood the basics here, I'll quickly put these together so that they will not take up a lot of time. So let me start with the Ashwini's Hiren Shah narration. This is the file, Hiren Shah narration. I'm just dragging it here. So this is the length of the narration. I will need to put in photographs here. So there are plenty of photographs that I have here. This is one. This our friend Hemant had done the introduction. So I have his photograph here. I'm increasing the length of these files just in order to fill up the spaces. Do I have anything else left? I have covered everything here, and still I'm falling short by a long length. Yeah, so this is where the planning comes into the picture. Probably I have not done proper planning this time. So let's go to the narration part. I have moved the head cursor to this place, and I'm going to play from here. Yeah, as you can see, there was a lot of blank audio here. So I'll actually position my this cursor at this blank space. If you can see in the audio, there is a blank space here. I have positioned it there, and I'm just going to cut from the start to that position. And I can just move this audio unit here. Now let's go back.
एवढंसं कार्टं पण घराची राखण करतं. कोण? असं कोडं आपण लहानपणी एकमेकांना घालत होतो. आणि याच कार्ट्याविषयी, अर्थात कुलपाविषयी, कधी कोणाला एवढी आत्मीयता असू शकते का? तर याचं उत्तर आहे हो. कदाचित आपण सगळेच रोज कुलूप वापरतो, पण हे कुलूप तेवढंच दुर्लक्षित असतं. या कुलपाची काय महती आहे, त्याचा इतिहास काय आहे, हे आपण तेवढंच दुर्लक्षित असतं. या कुलपाची काय महती आहे, त्याचा इतिहास काय आहे, हे आपण मागच्या मंगळवारच्या कार्यक्रमात ऐकलं. आपले वक्ते होते अहमदाबादचे डॉक्टर हिरेन शहा. त्यांना या कुलपांबद्दल एवढी आत्मीयता आहे की त्यांनी देशी विदेशातून याचा संग्रह केला. अनेक कुलपं आपल्या भारतातल्याही वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणाहून त्यांनी जमा केलेली आहेत आणि त्यांच्याच घरी त्यांनी त्याचं एक संग्रहालय उभारलं आहे, ज्याला ते हाऊझियम असं संबोधतात. कुलपाच्या या अनोखा खजिन्याविषयी आपण केवढी माहिती घेतली यावेळेस. काही कुलपं चायनामधली होती. त्यातलं ते एक जे कुलूप होतं ते 1000 वर्षापूर्वींचं होतं आणि ते आता जरा जीर्ण झालं असल्यामुळे त्यांनी एका बाटलीमध्ये ते ठेवलेलं आहे. किंवा इतरही अनेक अशी कुलपं बघितली की ज्याची किल्ली कशी लावायची आणि ते कसं उघडायचं याच्यासाठी त्यांना खूप खटाटोप करायला लागला.
I have stopped at this point because actually what I wanted to show you was how to match the image and the text and the audio. Fortunately, in this case, by chance, it has got matched. So this, where he is talking about the Chinese
होतं ते 1000 वर्षापूर्वींचं होतं आणि ते आता जरा जीर्ण झालं असल्यामुळे त्यांनी एका बाटलीमध्ये ते ठेवलेलं आहे.
हे त्यांनी एका बाटलीमध्ये हे ठेवलेलं आहे. हा भाग जो आहे तो मला एक्झॅक्टली इथे हवा होता. आता ऍक्च्युली बाय चान्स आलेला आहे. पण आता पुढचा जो स्पेस आहे तिथे आपल्याला बाकी भरायला पाहिजे. तर मी आता व्हॉट आय विल डू इज जस्ट ड्रॅग दिस अपवर्ड्स टू द नेक्स्ट ट्रॅक, वरच्या ट्रॅकला, सो दॅट आय कॅन पुल दीज इमेजेस टू द प्लेस अँड फिल अप इन द वे दॅट आय वॉन्ट. सो यातला काही भाग मी मोठा करतो. लेंथ आय विल इन्क्रीज द लेंथ अँड द ड्युरेशन ऑफ दीज दिस वे. Yeah. Yeah. So what I have now again done the same thing. I have matched all the images to the audio and I have ensured that where Ashwini is talking about a Chinese kuluk जे बाटलीत ठेवलेलं आहे तिथे तो फोटो आलेला आहे आणि बाकी ठिकाणी जनरल माहिती आहे. So when I come to the end of this audio track, I will
अतिशय
actually have
छान जोपासून त्याचा निर्भेळ आनंद इतरांनाही देऊ शकतो हे आपल्याला या मागच्या गांधी भवन कट्टा या भागामधून कळलं. धन्यवाद.
Okay, again I'm cropping this, trimming the last part of the audio, and this I can drag. Now one thing that I want to show you here is most of the times when we are making a bulletin like this, you will see that this, please look at this upper pane, you will see that the images are much smaller than the screen. So you can, in fact, Filmora is so powerful that it will allow us to crop these images and still play it like you can even crop videos. These are right now images, but we can even crop videos to the size that we want. So in this case, what I can do is straight away select this and I'll say crop and zoom here within the tools, and I can crop it the way that I want. So I can probably bring it down. Yeah. If you see now, it has filled the width of the screen, but not yet the height. So I'll still need to edit it. I'll go to crop, and these details I can probably explain personally at a later stage, but this is what we need to do. Crop it this way, crop it here. Now we have this image almost filling the screen. I can do this with most of the other images that we have. So like for example, Hiren Shah's photograph, I will need to crop again. So I crop this way. I will make sure that I'm using a custom tool and crop the photograph in the way that I want. Of course, it cannot be vertical, it has to be horizontal. So we are almost covering that size. Here we are. Now, in this case, again, I use the crop tool, use the custom tool. Okay. And so on and so forth. So I can actually do this with each and every image that I have. Let's do it with one more. In this case, this is very small. And if you see, it's a vertical image. So I will actually crop the entire portion. The upper and lower, the black part of the screen, which was taken while taking a screenshot. If I crop it, I will probably reach the correct proportion. Now here still need to have the width reduced. So the blank spaces here, the crop. Yeah. Similarly, when we have Mr. Dr. Hiren Shah and his wife, do the same thing here. Okay, so I have now come to the end of this unit where the audio and the images are completed.
या भागामधून कळलं. धन्यवाद.
The important thing, of course, is to save. So let me first save it. One more point which you need to understand is here, when you look at this pane, there is a double-sided arrow here. If you click on this arrow, it actually fills the screen totally. Or if you click on this minus and the plus button, you are actually reducing the display size. So it will bring it down. It is required because now we are going to add the next part of it. The next part of it is the narration about the tree plantation. So here I have this narration. Fortunately, this is very short. So let us take the photographs that are there in this. So I have a whole lot of them. So we'll start with, okay. Yeah, so I had a small image that I had taken here, which I want to put at the start of the tree plantation. So I'll take this here now. It is very easy for me to just increase the sizes, make sure that the length matches. Or there is another way that I can do this, and that is I select all of these and give them a common duration. So I'm using my shift key and selecting this. And if I go to the duration here, I can actually change this duration to say around 6 seconds there. So I've almost practically reached the end of my this thing. So I'll need to actually still reduce a little bit because I want to fit in this guy. There is a small picture there. So again, let me select all of these and change the duration instead of 623. Okay, let's make it 6 seconds exactly. Yes, this is done. Let me move it out and fit in my image here. now let's see what happens.
धन्यवाद. रविवारी सकाळी जाऊन थोडी निसर्गाची सेवा करायची. किती मस्त कल्पना आहे ना. सध्या तर पाऊसही छान पडतो आहे, त्यामुळे सगळीकडेच पुण्याच्या बाहेरसुद्धा मस्त हिरवगार झालं आहे. पण पुण्याच्या आतमध्ये अशी हिरवाई जपण्याचा ज्यांनी प्रयत्न केला त्यांच्याबरोबर आपण आत्ता मागच्या रविवारी वृक्षारोपणाचा कार्यक्रम केला. भर वस्तीमध्ये म्हणता येईल अशी ही वेताळ टेकडी. त्या वेताळ टेकडीवर जाऊन आपल्या क्लबच्या तब्बल 50 लोकांनी वृक्षारोपणाच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये भाग घेतला होता. वृक्षारोपण करायचं तर नुसतंच फोटो क्लिक करून चालणार नाही, तर खड्डे खणणं, त्याच्यातली माती बाजूला करणं, कुदळ आणि फावडी हातात घेणं वगैरे वगैरे कार्यक्रम हे झालेत. टेकडी चढण्याचा कार्यक्रम किंवा मॉर्निंग वॉकचा कार्यक्रमही याच्याबरोबर पार पडला आणि ऑब्व्हियसली नंतर फेलोशिप पण झालीच. प्रोजेक्ट झालं, फेलोशिपची मजाही आली.
तर इथे फक्त एक गोष्ट मला करायची आहे. वेअर शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द फेलोशिप, आय वुड लाईक टू हॅव पिक्चर्स ऑफ फेलोशिप. सो दिस इज वन पिक्चर. सो आय विल पुल दिस guy up. Do we have any other pictures of fellowship? Yeah, so that's the only one. So I'll just move these two in and put this at the end. So roughly
आणि ऑब्व्हियसली नंतर फेलोशिप पण झालीच. प्रोजेक्ट झालं, फेलोशिपची मजाही आली.
save. The other thing that I want to show you here is that there are, of course, ways to add transitions or add merging to these images. So if I select all these tree plantation files now, I'm just dragging from outside and selecting all these tree plantation photographs. I can go into the transition tool here. For example, talk about, let's say, okay, we'll just go into a slideshow and say, if you click here, you will see how it is going to do it on the pane on the right hand side.
या भागामधून कळलं. धन्यवाद. रविवारी सकाळी जाऊन थोडी निसर्गाची सेवा करायची. किती मस्त कल्पना आहे ना. सध्या तर पाऊसही छान पडतो आहे, त्यामुळे सगळीकडेच पुण्याच्या बाहेरसुद्धा मस्त हिरवगार झालं आहे. पण पुण्याच्या आतमध्ये अशी हिरवाई जपण्याचा ज्यांनी प्रयत्न केला त्यांच्याबरोबर आपण आत्ता मागच्या रविवारी
याच्यात ऑफकोर्स हे बरेचसे फोटोज वर्टिकल आहेत, त्यामुळे त्यांना क्रॉप करायला पण हवं आहे. सो त्या गोष्टी आपण करू शकतो. आय थिंक अनफॉर्च्युनेटली आपलं आय लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ माय सिस्टम प्रॉब्लेम. पण एखादा आपण करून घेऊया. म्हणजे आता हा जो फोटो आहे याला जर मी क्रॉप केलं, आपण कस्टम क्रॉप करू. Yeah, and so this way we can actually crop all these and place them the way that we want. We have come to the end of this section. This is the tree plantation section. The next part that we have is we have the closing remarks. So we could actually add things like, you know, a cheering or a clapping, an applause. So I'm just going to add an applause here.
ची मजाही आली.
And all these files are readily available off the net. So there are background music, you can have bells ringing, you can have, for example, I have also downloaded a GIF file, which is, yeah, okay, this thumbs up. So let's add this here.
प्रोजेक्ट झालं, फेलोशिपची मजाही आली. झालीच. प्रोजेक्टचं प्रोजेक्ट झालं, फेलोशिपची मजाही आली.
So I will make sure that my claps, my applause is matching the image. And then let's go back to our media, and I'll put in my president's closing remarks now. So here it is. Let's listen to what you have to say.
नमस्कार मंडळी, आमचे हे ऑनलाईन वर्ष शेवटच्या टप्प्यावर आले. येत्या मंगळवारी तारीख 29 आपली या वर्षीची शेवटची आणि हो ती सुद्धा चक्क ऑफलाईन मीटिंग. तर भेटूयात येत्या मंगळवारी नेहमीच्याच वेळी, पण ठिकाण पुण्याई हाऊल पाऊल रोड येथे. येत आहे ना मग सगळे?
I will match the photograph that I have here to the audio that he has given. And of course, now I want to have only part of it. Again, crop it.
येत्या मंगळवारी तारीख 29 आपली या वर्षीची शेवटची आणि हो ती सुद्धा चक्क ऑफलाईन मीटिंग. तर भेटूयात येत्या मंगळवारी नेहमीच्याच वेळी, पण ठिकाण पुण्याई हाऊल पाऊल रोड येथे. येत आहे ना मग सगळे?
Yes, so that brings us to the end of our actual bulletin. I would like to now, yeah. So the next step is to actually export this as a image, as a video file. So which is very straightforward. You have an export icon here. You can click on the export and locate where you want to save the file. Call it, give it the name that you want. So
how do we save it? What extension?
it saves it with, I'll show you. Now, if you look at the left side, the format, it allows you a number of formats. You can save it as an MP4, WMV, AAY, AVI, the movie files. There are a lot of extensions that you can save them as. So generally save them as MP4. The only thing is that the files normally become quite large. So if you look at this, it's 63 megabytes. So in order to reduce this, basically for online display, you don't require such a resolution. You will see this bit rate here. This is 1500 kbps. The best thing is to put it as at 1000 kbps. That way the size reduces a little bit, and it will be, now it has from 64, it has come to 44 MB. So now you can export this, save it as a MP4 file that we are doing it here. And the better thing is to upload it to YouTube and give the link to your members or to whoever you want to give it to. So I'll just put it to export, and then we'll go back to the Zoom screen. Then I can stop sharing this and we can go back there. Once it is exported, it takes about, it's showing here 5 minutes for duration for exporting. So let it do it in the background. Parallelly, we can discuss any issues that you want to have.
मला असं वाटतं सगळ्यांचं असं झालं असणार आहे, कधी एकदा प्रत्यक्ष करून बघतोय. दिसताना सोपं दिसतं, बट आय एम शुअर थोडंसं शिकायला वेळ लागेल, पण प्रॅक्टिसने येऊ शकण्यासारखं आहे. कारण नाव
येऊ शकेल नक्कीच.
वी आर सो यूज्ड टू हँडलिंग ऑल दिस नाव with the photos and word files and everything. So drag and drop. So I'm sure everybody can master it with a little practice. We will now open the floor because Shashank, do you think you can ask one of the participants to do it? Or
if somebody,
खूप वेळ लागेल. It's a time consuming job.
I do, Sanjay.
Let's see if somebody is interested to do a 2-minute thing. We are ready for that. That should not be a problem.
Yeah. And of course, in the meantime, they can ask questions if they have.
Yeah.
Past 9 o'clock. But maybe we'll take questions first.
Yeah, we'll take questions first, so that in case while I was doing this, people have had some doubts, we can clear them. And if then possible, we'll take a 2-minute demo from somebody that is amongst us.
Somebody wants to volunteer for that, but we would like to clarify the doubts first. So please, the floor is open. You may either type the question or raise your hand so that we will know who wants to speak. And okay, the question is, will this app have watermarks on the final video, Shashank?
No, if you have downloaded Filmora 9, the free version, it will not have any watermark. I think you have, while I was playing around with the problem on my system, you have already shown one of the videos that we had created, right? So it had no watermark. The watermark will not be there provided you have installed it as a free version or as a paid version. Paid version, you will have to pay and do it, but otherwise download Filmora 9, the free version, and you will have no problems.
And even though it's a free version, most of what we will need for club bulletins, all the facilities are there, right?
Everything that we require, everything that I have done right now is on the free version.
Okay, yes. But do you want to stop sharing so that we can see the gallery?
Yeah, actually, that's what I'm trying to check. I got stuck with this.
Any other questions?
Backend la save hot rahil na toparayant.
Yeah, it is saved. Meenal, can you stop my screen share so that directly it gets.
Okay.
Yes, please. Any other questions? And when you
Ujjwala, I have made a small clip, very small, with very little music. The audio is like my own song, which I've just added to see how it goes. If you can give me sharing rights, I can show it. It's a very small, like hardly 30 seconds clip.
who is speaking? Who was it?
Hello, who was this?
I'm Janice here. Janice Somji here. I'm from RCP Sunrise.
Yeah. Meenal, can you make Janice?
Yeah, Janice.
Yeah.
And Shashank has to stop sharing. Janice, that's really nice. If you have tried to make a clip as we were.
Yeah, I was working parallelly when Shashank was explaining.
That's actually
Excellent. Yeah.
okay.
It's very small. I've just taken a picture. It's not, music is not matching, but just see how it works. Let me see.
Meenal will make you the co-host.
Yeah, Janice, we'd love to see that actually.
So that you
If
can
anybody else
All
has
right.
done, even that will help.
No, the host is not screen sharing with me. I need the rights still.
Yeah. Meenal, are you there? Can you make Janice the co-host? Or if I can, I will.
No. Janice, I have done. I've done your co-host.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I've got it.
Okay, please share.
Mm. One sec. Okay. this is not letting me share.
Not letting you share?
Ujjwala, Nitin from RCK. Can I ask question?
Yes, Nitin, please.
Yeah. So, the basic question would be, because we all know that we have to do bulletins as a PR, part of PR and IT team.
Yes.
We have been doing bulletins, PDF bulletins earlier. Now, is it going to be a mandatory decision that we have to do multimedia or video sort of bulletins? How it is going forward?
No, Nitin.
I think Ujjwala, you take this.
Nitin, what we are suggesting from the district team is that you may have a combination of all types of bulletins, so that there is some curiosity among the club members also to find out, okay, what kind of bulletin is it this time? So have a printed bulletin, like say for example, DG visit or something. You may have a beautiful printout, like the printed bulletin. Or sometimes you can have e-bulletin or just audio. And for some special occasions, when you have some visual representation that will really, interest people, that time you can have multimedia. It's not mandatory to have a multimedia bulletin every time.
Okay.
But
Nitin, I would just like to tell you that this can be used for many other things, like project reports, any presentations that you want to make. In fact, we had a small project that we had run where we wanted to increase awareness about vaccination and the myths around vaccination. So we made a series of 6 different videos. We picked up videos from different people, from doctors, from fitness enthusiasts, from general public, from youngsters, and we made 6 different videos by putting them all together and with a narration. So this became a project by itself. So it was not a bulletin, it was entirely a different project. So that can be also done by you for different things.
No, of course, it's a good idea. And myself, I know, just for FYI to this group, I know Premiere, I know FCK.
Oh, great. So then you are much better than me.
Yeah. So only thing is that we are designing PDF bulletins. We do also have video bulletins that we have done last year. Now, if it is going to be mandatory, I guess definitely will be a wonderful thing. And a suggestion, I don't know this is a platform or not. There are 120 plus clubs in Pune district. Instead of, if I'm doing a bulletin, and I'm putting on my Facebook or a YouTube wall, instead of that, can we have a common channel for Pune district where, all clubs bulletin can be stitched?
Okay, I don't know what is the possibility of having it on the app or having one single, like we have the website. So if they allow us to upload to the website, then yes, I will definitely take this up with the Pankaj Shah and his IT team and find out what can be done. So that.
But anyway, you are allowed to put a bulletin on district website.
It was only
No. You can upload image of it. Even if it's a soft copy, you can allow to upload image.
So as of now, we have to just add image and give link.
Sorry to interrupt. Let us get back to the bulletin.
Yeah,
I think Janice is waiting.
Janice and Madhura are eager to
Janice is
share.
waiting. So
Janice, you had shared in between. So please go back to sharing and show us your video. Janice, are you there? Madhura, you also have made a video?
Yeah, hi Ujjwala. Yes, I did.
Meenal, you can also Vipra a co-host so that she can share.
It's very raw. आता माझे 10 मिनिटं इथे इंटरनेट कनेक्टिव्हिटीचा इश्यू होता तेवढ्यात बनवलं.
Madhura, you can share now.
Okay. Just a second.
Janice, you also are a co-host. After Madhura, you can go back and share.
Okay. Is she ready and she wants to go ahead? It's fine with me.
No, Madhura, I think if it's ready.
Okay. Okay. Give me a second. I have to open the file. That's it. Because I had not opened the file. I didn't.
Watermark घेतोय रे.
संजय ऐकू नाही आलं मला काय वॉटरमार्क येतोय. हो ते you will have to call me home ना in order to correct that.
कारण मी तुझ्या लिंक वरच ते डाउनलोड केलं. आधी माझ्याकडे पेड व्हर्जन होतं. तुझ्या लिंक वरनं मी ते केलं, पण इट्स अ वॉटरमार्क म्हणजे काहीतरी मला माहित नाही ते काय टेक्निकल
नाही,
आहे.
प्रॉब्ली इन्स्टॉल करताना काही एरर केला असेल, बट इट इज व्हेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड.
$70 मी टाकलेत त्याच्यामध्ये, खर्च केलेत पूर्वी.
ओके. मधुरा,
मला
झालंय?
शेअर स्क्रीन करायला जरा प्रॉब्लेम येतोय, म्हणजे मला ते आणता येत नाहीये फाईल ओपन करून. VE1 नावाने ती इथे सेव्ह झाली आहे, बट इट्स प्लेइंग वेल ऑन मी. मला जस्ट गिव्ह मी अ सेकंड. झूम कुठे गेला कॉल?
करत असताना तू शेअर मध्ये गेलीस की तुला दिसतं ना वेगवेगळ्या तुझ्या ओपन फाईल्स.
हो, आता दिसल्या मला, पण ते आय डोंट नो.
या इट्स देअर.
अच्छा, झाली का? ओके
येस, ग्रेट.
ओके. मग स्टार्ट करते मी. राईट, ग्रेट.
पुणे लोकमान्य नगर यांचा मेगा प्रोजेक्ट ऑक्सिजन जनरेशन प्लांट डोनेशन स्टार्ट. जून 2021 मध्ये रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पुणे लोकमान्य नगर यांनी क्लीनमॅक्स सोलर प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड या कंपनीच्या अंतर्गत कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टायअप करून साने गुरुजी हॉस्पिटल हडपसर येथे ऑक्सिजन जनरेशन प्लांट डोनेट केला. या प्लांटची कपॅसिटी 250 लिटर्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन पर मिनिट इतकी आहे. आपण सगळे जाणतोच, कोविड-19च्या या दुसऱ्या लाटेत अख्खा भारत होरपळून निघाला. आपल्या पुण्यात सुद्धा अनेक जीव केवळ ऑक्सिजन कमी पडला याच्यामुळे गेलेले आहेत आणि हॉस्पिटल्स, पेशंट्स, डॉक्टर्स या सगळ्यांनाच प्रचंड त्रासातून जावं लागलेलं आहे. अशा या अत्यंत महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टींसाठी रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पुणे लोकमान्य नगरतर्फे साने गुरुजी हॉस्पिटल हडपसर, महाराष्ट्र आरोग्य मंडळाचं साने गुरुजी हॉस्पिटल हडपसर येथे हा प्लांट डोनेट करण्यात आला. साने गुरुजी हॉस्पिटल हे हडपसरमध्ये असल्याने हडपसरच्या पुढे असलेले ग्रामीण भागातून अनेक रुग्ण साने गुरुजी हॉस्पिटलला उपचारासाठी येतात. त्यांचा तिथे एक कोविड डेडिकेटेड वॉर्ड सुद्धा आहे आणि जरी आता हळूहळू पेशंट्स कमी झाले तरी सुद्धा त्यांचं त्या व्यतिरिक्त IC युनिट आहे आणि येणाऱ्या संभाव्य तिसऱ्या लाटेसाठी हॉस्पिटल तयारी करत आहे. अशा प्रसंगी हा ऑक्सिजन प्लांट त्या हॉस्पिटलला अत्यंत उपयुक्त ठरत आहे. रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पुणे लोकमान्य नगर यांच्या सहकार्याने हा ऑक्सिजन जनरेशन प्लांट यापुढे अनेक वर्ष अनेक गरजू रुग्णांना अत्यंत जीवनावश्यक असा ऑक्सिजन पुरवत राहील याची आम्हाला खात्री आहे.
एक्सलंट. तर आता फक्त याच्यात इमेजेस वेगवेगळे आणि त्याला जर ट्रान्झिशन्स दिली तर इट बिकम्स अन एक्सलंट व्हिडिओ. एक मधुरा, इफ आय कॅन जस्ट सजेस्ट वन थिंग टू बी डन
प्लीज.
जे मी ह्याच्यात माझ्या प्रेझेंटेशन मध्ये दाखवलं नाही, इज यू कॅन ऍड टायटल्स. तर इफ यू सिन्स यू आर ऑन स्क्रीन, मी सांगतो तुला कसं करायचं. जस्ट गो टू वरती, ह्याच्यामध्ये मेनू मध्ये टायटल्स दिसतात.
टायटल्स,
या टायटल्सला क्लिक करून राईट साइडच्या या पेन मध्ये जस्ट मूव डाऊन अँड यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन्स अवेलेबल देयर. त्याचा जो कर्सर आहे यातला कुठलाही खाली येऊ दे, अजून
येऊ दे खाली. ओके.
आता त्यातला प्रॉबेबली एखादा त्यातला कुठलाही सिलेक्ट केला की जो ओव्हरलॅप होत नाहीये फार इमेज वरती, अजून खाली बघू.
हा, ठीक आहे ना. मग तिथे कसं लिहायचं?
आता हा जो सिलेक्ट केलाय, इफ यू सी, त्याला क्लिक केलं तर तो राईट साइडच्या पेन मध्ये ते कॅप्शन कसं येणार आहे हे दाखवतो.
करेक्ट.
आता ह्याला काय करायला लागेल, जो आपला जो सिलेक्शनचा कर्सर आहे, लाल वर्टिकल लाईन जी आहे, खालच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये ही जी वर्टिकल लाईन आहे राईट साइडला जी, तर जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दॅट स्क्वेअर बॉक्स ऑन द अपर पेन, सो यू विल गो बॅक टू द स्टार्ट ऑफ द व्हिडिओ. राईट साइडला खाली तिथे
इथे
नाही, तिथेच ते जे फॉरवर्ड ला त्याच्या राईट साइडला स्टॉप.
अच्छा, बॅकवर्ड स्टॉप. ओके.
या सो नाउ यू हॅव गॉन बॅक टू द स्टार्ट ऑफ इट. त्याच्याच खाली आता जो कर्सर आहे तुझा, तिथे राईटला गेली तर डबल एरो दिसेल. तिथे नाही, आता जिथे होती वरच्या पेनच्या तिथे. या जस्ट कम डाऊन अ लिटल बिट, थोडं राईट साइडला पाहिलं, ते नाही, कम डाऊन अ लिटल, मूव टू द राईट, अँड त्या म्युझिकच्या ह्याच्या शेजारी यू विल सी देयर इज अ डबल एरो.
Sorry, I can't find.
वन ऑब्लिक
वरती
तिथे वरती आहे
हा आता ह्याच्या बरोबर वरती आता कर्सर आहे ना
हा,
त्याच्या वरती आहे पहा
हा,
हा
हा,
डबल
हा.
एरो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दॅट
हा.
येस. तर आता हा काय केलं त्यांनी तो पूर्ण व्हिडिओ आता खूप लांब असल्यामुळे तो पुढे पुढे जात होता.
हो,
आता
हो.
त्यांनी तो आपल्या स्क्रीन मध्ये फिट केला. सो इट बिकम्स इझी फॉर अस टू ऑपरेट अँड सी की काय चेंजेस करायचे आपल्याला.
हा, हा,
आता
हा.
आपला कर्सर जो सिलेक्शन कर्सर आहे तो स्टार्टला आहे व्हिडिओचा स्टार्टला आहे. तर आता नाउ गो टू द टायटल अँड जस्ट प्रेस द प्लस बटन देर.
हे का
प्लस
टायटल
प्लस त्याच्यात त्याला प्लस बटन आहे ना खाली
हा
त्याच्यात.
प्लस बटन आहे करेक्ट.
थोडक्यात
Yeah.
इन्सर्ट.
So just move back, move the cursor back. खालचा
परत
सिलेक्शन कर्सर
हा
मूव बॅक. नाही तो हा सिलेक्ट करून मूव करताय. आता प्ले करून
केला
पहा.
ना.
हा.
परत प्ले करू का?
हा प्ले करून पहा.
ओके ओके
Yeah.
ओके ओके.
हा सो स्टॉप इट. या नाउ थोडस परत जाऊन तो जो ब्लॉक आहे आपला टायटलचा जस्ट सिलेक्ट दॅट टायटल ब्लॉक. सिलेक्ट द टायटल ब्लॉक.
हा
हा त्याला थोडासा तो कर्सर राईटला मूव्ह करून सिलेक्टरचा जो कर्सर आहे सिलेक्शन कर्सर मूव्ह इट अ लिटल टू द राईट. वरून
हा
हा बस. आता तो जो वरच्या डिस्प्ले प्लेन मध्ये तो नाव जे दिसतंय
हो
तर नाव सिलेक्ट करायला लागेल.
ओके केलं.
हा तर आता इथे तुम्हाला नाही हे अजूनही इथे नाही करता येणार. यू विल हॅव टू गो टू एन ॲडव्हान्स्ड विंडो. हा याला राईट क्लिक करा.
राईट क्लिक करून कुठे जायचं?
ऍक्च्युली ह्याच्यामध्ये
ऍक्च्युली तो सिलेक्ट झालाय. सिलेक्ट
सो यू कॅन मूव इट डाऊन.
नेक्स्ट एडिट म्हणतो ना तो तिथे.
नाही त्याच्यात नाही जस्ट गो डाऊन.
डाऊन म्हणजे कुठे जाऊ?
ते सिलेक्ट करून खाली मूव्ह करून घ्या म्हणजे त्याची पोझिशन आपण शिफ्ट करतोय बाकी.
हा हा ओके ओके. हा पण मला हे ना बदलता येतील ना अक्षर?
हा हे बदलता येतं त्याला एडिट करता येतं त्याचे कलर्स चेंज करता येतात. हा नाऊ
आला 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 आला.
सो आता इथे यू विल हॅव टाइप व्हॉट एव्हर यू वॉन्ट. यू कॅन कॉल इट ऑक्सिजन काय जनरेशन ऑक्सिजन जनरेशन प्लांट असं काहीतरी त्याला नाव दिलं.
ओके ओके. आणि हे मला वेगवेगळे तयार करता येतील फॉन्ट पण साईज.
जस्ट से ओके.
ओके ओके.
या आता यू कॅन इन फॅक्ट इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कंटिन्यू दिस ॲज टायटल फॉर द एंटायर व्हिडिओ तर त्या ब्लॉकला सिलेक्ट करून खाली या जस्ट कम नाही तिथे नाही खालच्या जिथे आपला सिलेक्टर आहे खालचा सिलेक्टर तिथे तो जो ब्लॉक आहे टायटलचा ब्लॉक तो नाही टायटलचा जो पर्पल ब्लॉक दिसतोय ना हा सिलेक्ट दॅट. या आता माऊस थोडासा राईटला हलवला तर यू कॅन ऍक्च्युली ड्रॅग दॅट एंटायर थिंग अप टू द राईट. हा नाउ प्रेस अँड ड्रॅग. करेक्ट.
ओके.
जेवढा पाहिजे तेवढा. आता खूप पुढे गेली.
हा ठीक आहे ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. दॅट्स ओके. तेवढं मी करेन.
दॅट्स डन.
ओके ओके. आता मी परत प्ले केलं तर ते दिसेल का कंटिन्युअस?
करेक्ट कंटिन्युअस दिसेल.
प्रत्येक इमेज
नाही दिसत आहे.
दिसतंय ना ते तो फॉन्ट काहीतरी हा फॉन्ट तो बदलला गेला आणि कलर हे झालं म्हणून.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. दिसतंय येस. ओके.
सो इट इज सो सिम्पल.
या इट वॉज प्रेटी सिम्पल ऍक्च्युली. म्हणजे मी त्या 5-10 मिनिटात कुठून फोटो जमा केले. फक्त मी एक ऑडिओ मागे घेतला होता तो मला नाही घालता आला बॅकग्राऊंड म्युझिक देण्यासाठी. बट देन आय थिंक दॅट ऑडिओ फाईल वॉज नॉट प्रॉब्ली प्रॉपर. ती नाही माझी लोड झाली याच्यात. सो ओके
ते थोडं लर्न करता येईल. बट आय थिंक यू गॉट द हँग ऑफ इट. इट्स म्हणजे आता ह्याच्यात यू कॅन स्टार्ट प्लेइंग अँड यू आय एम शुअर यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ fun playing with this software.
Yes, credit goes to you. Thank you.
You're always welcome. काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर डेफिनेटली कॉल मी.
I think we have तुमच्या ऑफिस मध्ये यायचं आणि काहीतरी असं मी मगाशी ऐकलं होतं. I also might join the gang.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. हा मगाशी काय?
I think if we can go to Janice, I think she also has.
Alright. Okay. I'll just stop this.
Yeah. Excellent. Madhura, this very nicely done.
Oh, thank you. आणि खरंच 10 मिनिटाच्या आत झालं म्हणजे एक मिनिट. I have to stop share. Okay, there आहे.
Yes.
And if you want to give it a try?
Janice, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me the sharing.
Yeah, you must be a co-host already, but let me check.
I have done it.
You're done. Okay. Okay, so 1 sec, I'll just make this big. I have not written this title. Just so this may be the welcome screen. And
Yeah, as she was working, we were just talking about it.
Somewhere far away, I want you back. I want you back. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand.
so I could not add the audio after this. There's one clip to be added here, and then this is the last thing together.
Right.
We can do it. This can be the end clip.
So you could
This was
not
just
add,
like a very rough thing.
yeah, but it is very nicely done. You have an audio that you want to add, right? That is your problem.
Yes.
Have
Yeah.
you taken
So in
it
the
into
last
the,
part.
have you taken it into the media? Can you go to the
No,
menu?
I haven't. No, I haven't got it right now. I didn't have any audio, so I just took this clip. That recording was an old one. It is not a fresh one.
Right, that's fine.
So maybe once if I get, so I just wanted a rough idea how it looks. So this is okay, like, right?
It's excellent. I mean, within half an hour of my talking to you, if you are able to produce something like this, I think it's great.
Thank you so much.
So-
I'll just stop sharing.
Yeah.
Hi, I have a question.
Yes. This is Tejasri.
Yes, this is Tejasri. Hi.
Hi.
I'm from RCP Bavdan Elite. Thank you, Ujjwala and Gandhi Bhavan, for having this wonderful program. I had a question. We have only the pictures and the audio, right? The narration. So have you tried adding music in the background also? Do we have these three levels?
Yes, you can add music, you can add videos, you can overlap the music. If you look at the tracks that I showed at the bottom where we were working, we were utilizing only one track. There are limitless tracks that you can have. So you can have one below the other number of tracks, and you can keep adding different elements there. So you can have music tracks added below that. In some places, in fact, you can even edit the volume of those tracks so that in some places it will be of a lower volume, some places, enhance it, things like that. And if you have, for example, a video, you can even have a small image overlapping on it on a higher upper track. So it is basically like having different levels.
Correct. So my question is that, because I have tried doing this for a birthday,
Okay.
kind of all the pictures and little videos and little talks from and have audio going on in the background. But I had a problem with the volume of the music. So while the person was speaking in the video clip, the volume, background was very loud.
Okay, so there's a very simple way to correct that, which I can tell you without actually opening the software. Select the soundtrack that you want to change the volume of. Use your right mouse button, and it will show you the volume controls. It's as simple as that.
I think it's just a matter of practice. I did this on KineMaster, not on Filmora. Filmora is the first time I'm.
Okay, but most of these are very similar software, so it should be possible there also. It's just that Filmora is easy to use. It has lots of features, and it's free. The biggest thing is it's free.
I noticed that. Thank you so much for introducing this
You're
to us.
welcome. You're welcome.
मूवी मेकर मधनं पण होऊ शकतं का?
Yeah, होऊ शकतो.
Abhay has a question. Abhay,
Yeah, Abhay. Hi.
माझं काय होतंय, मला एक्सपोर्ट करता येत नाही. आय हॅव प्रिपेअर्ड अ स्मॉल क्लिप, पण ती मला एक्सपोर्ट नाही करता येते. तो मला वॉटरमार्क मागतोय किंवा आयडी मागतोय.
हाच प्रॉब्लेम आहे जो संजय आता बोलत होता की ते जेव्हा आपण सॉफ्टवेअर इन्स्टॉल केलं तेव्हा इट वॉज इन्स्टॉल्ड ॲज अ डेमो व्हर्जन.
ओके.
तर त्याचा तेवढाच प्रॉब्लेम आहे. ते जर आपण प्रॉपरली इन्स्टॉल झालं तर हा प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही.
ओके. बर. तसं परत रिइन्स्टॉल करून मग ते करावं लागेल.
हा, इन्स्टॉलेशनच्या वेळेला तो विचारेल वेदर यू वॉन्ट इट ॲज अ डेमो ऑर रेग्युलर व्हर्जन. तर ते डेमो केलं तर तो वॉटरमार्क विचारणार.
अच्छा, नाही पण म्हणजे आता मला परत इन्स्टॉल करावं लागेल.
परत इन्स्टॉल करायला लागेल. हो.
हा, ओके ओके.
I have one more question.
Yes, Tejas.
So when I'm asking my president, for example, or I'm asking somebody to send me a video clip, is there a limitation on the size?
The size you mean the MB or
Yes.
the size? Okay, yeah, there's no limitation. As long as your system is able to control it, there's no limitation.
पण व्हॉट्सअपला 25
So,
MB च्या
I
पुढे
have-
पाठवता येत नाही ना.
No, that's a WhatsApp problem. It could be sent or copied through a USB drive or whatever. We have made videos which are 280 MB and uploaded them onto YouTube and given the link to people, and it works fine.
I think we have taken this meeting for 2 hours. So
Yeah.
I'll request Prajakta to conclude it, and in case it extends, of course we can stay back. But let's not take the chance. Prajakta, over to you.
ओके ओके, गुड नाईट. शशांक, सेशन झाला. गुड.
संजय, प्राजक्ताला बोलू दे ना.
हा, ठीक आहे.
Thank you. I'll be presenting vote of thanks. Thank you so much, RCP Gandhi Bhavan and President Shashank, for organizing such a wonderful and unique workshop.
Rotarian Shashank.
Sorry, Rotarian Shashank Sapre.
They're all Rotarians. You don't have to say it every time.
Thank you, Ujjwala, District Club Admin Director 2122, for initiating such concept. Actually, audio bulletin concept also was Ujjwala's, and now she has spread it all over the district. Thank you, Rotarian Meenal, for coordinating this meeting. Thank you, Rotarian Shashank Tirak, for to facilitate our fellow Rotarians. मला खात्री ही जर मीटिंग खरं फिजिकल झाली असती ना, तर आणखीन खूप छान पद्धतीने झाली असती. म्हणजे इव्हन आता या एवढ्या मीटिंग मध्ये सुद्धा 2-3 जणांनी डेमो व्हिडिओज तयार केले आणि तिथे प्रेझेंट सुद्धा केले. म्हणजे तुम्ही किती छान एक्सप्लेन केलं हे त्यातनं कळून येते. आणि हे खरंच खूप मस्त झालंय एक्सप्लेनेशन आणि हे सगळं. Last but not the least, thank you all the participants who have joined us all over the district, and thank you DG Pankaj Shah for supporting club admin team. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prajakta.
Yes.
Yes. संजय, तुला
आता अजून मीटिंग संपेपर्यंत विचारू शकतो.
संजयला काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम आहे.
नाही, मला तुझ्याकडेच यायला पाहिजे, कारण माझा तोच प्रॉब्लेम आहे जो अभयचा आहे. पेड व्हर्जन असून सुद्धा तो हे देत नाहीये मला.
नाही, पण तुला मी आधीच सांगितलं की तुला माझ्याकडे नाही यायचं, मला बोलवायचं तुझ्याकडे.
ओके.
गुड वन, गुड वन.
येस. कोणालाही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर इट गोज फॉर एव्हरीबडी. अभय, फॉर यू ऑल्सो.
येस. ओके ओके ओके.
नाही, शशांक कुठली वेळ प्रिफर्ड असते ते पण सांगून ठेव ना. म्हणजे
कोणती
ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम असते, लंच टाइम आहे का, इव्हिनिंग टाइम आहे का, रात्री डिनर टाइम आहे, असं हेही सांगून ठेव तू.
वेळ आपली वेळ जी असते ती आपलीच असते. नो प्रॉब्लेम.
अजून कोणाला असेल काही क्वेश्चन तर बोलूया, नाहीतर आय विल क्लोज द मीटिंग.
अँड ऑल्टरनेटिव्हली आय थिंक मीनल एक काम करू शकते की ती जी मेलिंग लिस्ट आहे ना, त्याच्यावरती जस्ट सेंड माय मोबाईल नंबर. इन केस एनीबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड इन आस्किंग एनीथिंग, दे कॅन.
नक्की विल डू दॅट.
समबडी आस्क फॉर तुझी पीपीटी सुद्धा.
पीपीटी माझी खूपच स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आणि सिंपल होती, त्याच्यात काही फार इन्फॉर्मेशन नाहीये.
नाही, असू दे, त्याचा उपयोग होईल. We will share that as well.
ते आपण सगळं एकाच ह्याच्यात पाठवूया.
समोर आपल्याकडे सगळ्यांचे ईमेल ऍड्रेसेस आहेतच, त्यांना आपण सगळ्यांना पाठवू शकतो.
आणि प्रिपेअर केलेला व्हिडिओ आहे, तो व्हिडिओ एक्सपोर्ट झाला की तोही मी देतो. दॅट कॅन ऑल्सो बी सेंड.
ओके. आणि म्हणजे प्राजक्ता म्हणाली की प्रत्यक्षामध्ये आपल्याला जास्ती उपयोग झाला असं. मला ऍक्च्युली वाटतंय की दिस इज मोर बेनिफिशियल द ऑनलाईन वन, कारण प्रत्येक जण लॅपटॉपवर होता त्याच वेळेला.
करेक्ट.
So those who wanted to try, their hand at the same time, आपण फिजिकली लॅपटॉप घेऊन येणार कुठे, बसणार कुठे, ठेवणार कुठे. So sometimes the online mode
works. It works better. The only problem is with what happened today. थोडं ते system issues. थोडं system issues चा जो problem आहे.
इतरांनाही बोलू दे. म्हटलं इतरांनाही बोलू दे जरा बाहेरच्यांना.
तू त्याला कधीही बोलवू शकतोस ना.
Yes, and thank you so much. I mean, those who are still around, really, and those who have already left because it has been rather late. Thanks a lot for participating.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
We will be sharing Shashank Tirak's number as well as PPT to all.
Right.
Okay. Thank you once again, and good night. I'm closing the meeting.
Thanks. Shashank Tirak and Shashank Sapre, thanks a lot.